this video, I will show you how to get great deals at Chewy for all of your pet supplies by setting up the PriceLasso price tracker. PriceLasso shows you the historical prices at Chewy with price history and sends you email alerts when the price drops to the amount that you want. By waiting a few weeks, you can often save huge amounts of money on dog and cat food. To start price tracking, just sign up for a free PriceLasso account at PriceLasso.com. Add our extension to your browser, then go to any Chewy product page. You'll see our green button, and once you click it, that product will be added to your alerts page, where you can customize the alert price that you're notified at when the price drops to it. By default, it's set to 10%, but you can change it to whatever you like. You can also see price history. In addition to Chewy, PriceLasso can also track prices at other large stores like Amazon, Walmart, Costco, and many more, and we recommend setting up price alerts for all the products you commonly buy for your pets. That way you can stock up when the prices drop.